Hello everybody, welcome to the Theory Music School. This is part 2 of a series of videos on secondary dominants. Let's get right to it. Number 1, you are given a chromatic chord in the key of D major. Ask yourself if this chromatic chord is a major triad or a major minor 7th chord. The answer is it is a major minor 7th chord, so I can write 5-7 with a slash, indicating that this is a root position secondary dominant of something. We haven't figured that out yet. Well, we know that the root of this given chord is B, and that B is in the bass voice. I go down a perfect fifth or up a perfect fourth from B, and I get the note E. E is the root of the 2 chord in the key of D major, so this is therefore the 5-7 or a dominant 7th chord in root position of 2. Number 2, we're in the key of E minor and you are given a chromatic chord. Ask yourself, is this chromatic chord a major triad or a major minor 7th chord? Again, this is a major minor 7th chord in root position. The root of this chord is E. It is not a 1-7 chord. Because it's a major minor 7th chord, we can write 5-7 slash, and we are indicating that this is the secondary dominant of something. To figure out what that of something is, we can go down a perfect fifth from the root of the secondary dominant, the root of the given chord, or up a perfect fourth, and we get the note A. Well, A is the root of what chord in the key of E minor? It's the root of the 4 chord. So therefore, the given sonority is the 5-7 of 4. Number 3. In the key of B flat major, you are given this chromatic sonority. Again, ask yourself if this is a major triad or a major minor 7th chord. This happens to be a major minor 7th chord in first inversion. So the root of this given chord is C. And the chordal third is in the bass voice. So we can write 5 with the appropriate bass position symbol, which is 6-5, because this is a first inversion 7th chord, slash. So we are indicating that this is a first inversion dominant 7th chord of something. Well, we've determined already that the root of this given chromatic chord is C. So we can go down a perfect fifth or up a perfect fourth from C, and we get the same answer, which would be F. And so F is the root of what chord within the given key of B flat major? F is the root of the 5 chord, so therefore the given sonority is 5-6-5 of 5. Number 4, we're in the key of D minor and we are given a chromatic chord. Again, we ask, is this chromatic chord a major triad or a major minor 7th chord? Again, it's a major minor 7th chord, and the root of this chord is E. The chordal 7th is in the bass. So we write 5, and the appropriate bass position symbol for a third inversion 7th chord is 4-2, so therefore we've written 5-4-2 slash. The dominant of what? Well, the root of this given chord is E. We go down a perfect fifth or up a perfect fourth from E, and we get the same answer, the note A. And so we ask ourselves, A is the root of what chord in the key of D minor? A is the root of the 5 chord in D minor, so therefore this given chromatic sonority is labeled 5-4-2 of 5. And finally, the last example, we're in the key of E flat major. We are given a chromatic chord. We ask ourselves, is this chromatic chord a major triad or a major minor 7th chord? And the answer is, it is a major minor 7th chord. And the root is G, so the chordal fifth is in the bass voice. So this is in second inversion. So we would write 5-4-3 slash. This is a dominant 7th chord in second inversion of what? Well, since the root of this given chord is G, we go down a perfect fifth or up a perfect fourth from G, and we get the note C. C is the root of what chord in the key of E flat? C is the root of the 6th chord. So therefore, this given sonority is 5-4-3 of 6. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.